Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, August 3rd, 2010. Well, a change of character today for the market, and as we thought, the market looked a little bit overbought on the previous day, quite a very large green-bodied candle, and the market trading to an extreme, all probably far too quickly. Markets tend to need a rest after doing that, and that's exactly what we've had today. We haven't had a continuation of the trend. We haven't had a candle with a higher high and a higher low, but we've had a candle with a lower high and a higher low. That doesn't mean that the trend has changed. The uptrend is still intact, but what we have in bar chart terms is an inside day, and that's quite an indecisive day in bar chart terms. Now, we thought that the top of the cloud may have acted as an area of resistance for this market, and it certainly has, and we've had a small sell-off in this market with a fairly small red-bodied candle. So the small red body means that the sellers have made net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, although only a fairly small amount. Now, this is a potential Japanese candlestick reversal pattern. It's a harami reversal pattern, or a potential harami reversal pattern, and that's where the body of the current candle is engulfed by the body of the previous candle. So there is potential for a change of trend. Now, confirmation of that pattern will be the change of trend. So we would like to see a candle with a lower high and a lower low in reference to today's candle. So that would mean that we have had a change of trend to the downside. Now, we do need to remember that anywhere within the cloud, if the market does trade off, offers potential support for the market. So that's why trading within the cloud is fairly neutral. Trading above the cloud is bullish. Trading below the cloud is bearish, but within the cloud is neutral. And that's because anywhere within the cloud can offer support or resistance. Now, especially down around this 1106 region, to roughly about 1100, a round number, may offer potential support if the market does come off. And so that's an area that we really do need to watch within the cloud, and also the area at around the Tenkan-sen, which is 1099, which is roughly 1100. So the Tenkan-sen can offer support as well. Now, the market is trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which means that it has a positive bias in the medium-term and fast-term time frames. So even though the market is neutral in overall terms, in the finer time frames, the market is positive. The Tenkan-sen is still pointing up fairly sharply, not as sharp as it was, and that is reflecting the strong upside momentum that the market built over the previous trading day. There is some lag associated with that, so because the previous day was such an extreme, that indicator won't roll over as quickly as you might expect it to. But interestingly, the Kijun-sen has actually turned flat, and quite often when the Kijun-sen turns flat, it tends to be an attractor of price action. So there is a possibility that the market may sell off and come back towards the Kijun-sen, which is down around 1069. So that will offer a potential support as well if the market does trade down through these levels. Now, the market won't do that very easily. There is a lot of support all the way down through here, especially down at the bottom of the cloud as well, down roughly around 1092, 1091, and then before there 1080, so some very solid support. Now, if that doesn't happen, then there is potential for the market to trade to the upside, although fairly solid resistance offered by the cloud, and also around 1133. Now, if the market is going to go on with a breach of that area above the cloud, then we would like to see a fairly bullish close up above there for the market to trade higher. So we do need to watch how the market behaves in the next trading session. So obviously the important points to watch are the high of the current candle and the previous candle, which are around 1125 to 1127, and then the top of the cloud around 1129, 1130 to 1133 for a potential continuation of the move to the upside, but also the low of the current candle around 1116 for a potential lower high and lower low.